Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for you. The Long-Run Technologies wireless speaker set, the best Bluetooth stereo speakers you can find. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews of amazing products like this one. Let's get right into it. The Long-Run Technologies wireless speaker set is a game changer in the world of Bluetooth speakers. These speakers may be small in size, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to sound quality. One of the standout features of this product is the wireless stereo dual pairing. You get not one, but two speakers that can be paired together wirelessly, giving you an immersive stereo experience that's perfect for music, movies, and more. These speakers are incredibly versatile. Whether you're using them indoors, outdoors, by the pool, or even at work, they deliver big, rich bass and hi-fi sound quality that will blow you away. Pairing these speakers with your devices is a breeze. They're compatible with virtually any Bluetooth-enabled device, from your smartphone and laptop to your tablet and TV. But wait, there's more. These speakers offer 3-in-1 functionality. You can use them in stereo Bluetooth mode, insert an ATF SD card, or connect them directly with a 3.5mm audio cable. It's all about giving you options. Now, let's talk about durability. The Long-Run Technologies wireless speaker set is built to last. They're drop-in shock-proof, making them perfect for outdoor adventures and parties. And here's the best part. They are designed for portability and performance. You can carry them anywhere, and they offer an impressive 10 hours of playtime per charge. That's a whole day of non-stop music. So, if you're looking for the best Bluetooth stereo speakers that offer premium quality, versatility, and portability, look no further than the Long-Run Technologies wireless speaker set. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in grabbing these fantastic speakers, we've included a link in the description below. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product reviews.